Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes with power heated side mirrors, side steps, a removable top, deep tinted glass, and much more. When the itinerary includes rock, sand, or mud, this all-American bulldog is the champ. This Jeep has 18-inch polished satin carbon alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Jeep is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen headlamps, along with fog lights, 2 tow hooks, and the iconic Jeep grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Jeep has 4-wheel drive and it's estimated that drivers receive 18 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Jeep only has 26,696 miles on it. At the back of the Jeep, you will see the rear wiper, the removable back window, and the spare tire, along with the tow hook and the tow hitch. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a durable floor mat and lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Jeep has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth bucket seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Jeep is also equipped with a locking glove box, a perimeter alarm, and door bins. This Jeep has a very comfortable tilting and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 7 Infinity speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3, satellite radio, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. You also have large climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.